You guys, okay, sorry. Okay guys, welcome to part 4 of our CSE Math Review problems. The last part, okay? Kasi ano siya, nasa okay, 14 items, okay? So, let's get right to it. A truck travels 240 kilometers using diesel. How many kilometer per liter if the diesel cost is 60 per liter? What is the cost per kilometer? So, kilometer per liter is the diesel cost is 60. Okay, so let muna natin 60 per liter. This is the cost. Okay, tapos cost per kilometer. Okay, so ang usage na is 240 kilometers in 30 liters. Yan ang consumption niya. Divide ng 30 liters. So magiging siyang 8 kilometers per liter. That is the consumption. So the diesel cost is 60. So magiging siyang, ang cost niya per kilometer is magiging, okay, so ang consumption niya is magiging dapat cost per kilometer. So magiging siyang 60 pesos. This is per kilometers na. Divide natin sa 8 kilometers per liter. Kasi this is per liter ang diesel cost. Okay, tama. Per liter pala ito, per liter. So, higi siyang 60 divided 87.5 per kilometers. This is the cost per kilometer. Okay. Next, how many distinct arrangements, permutations of the letters in the word math? Okay, so step 1, count the letters math. Okay, math has 4 letters. Okay, M-A-T-H. So check for repetitions. Okay, wala naman na ulit, so all letters are distinct. So apply the formula for permutation. Ang permutation class is ganito. Itong may, kung sa engineering ka meron yan, ang calculate mo ganito, no? N. So for the distinct letters, the number permutations n. So for ganito, ang meaning lang yan, ito pwede nyo idirekta sa calcio, pero ang meaning lang yan is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Yan yung permutation. So the answer is 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 24 times 1 is 24. So the answer is 24. Next, if the probability of raining today is 0.4, what are the odds in favor of the rain? Express as A, B. Okay, so express lang natin as a ratio daw. Okay, so the probability of the rain is 0.4. So recall the relationship between probability and odds. So odds in favor, lagay na natin probability, odds in favor P, probability of rain over the probability not to rain. Okay, so number 2 is compute mo yung probabilities. So ang ma-rain daw, ang ma-rain is 0.4 or 40%. Siyempre yung hindi re-rain, yung tira, yung 60% or 0.6, right? So simplify. Okay, 0.4 over 0.6 or 4 over 6, right? Tama. Is simplest form natin, divide natin both sides by 2. So magiging siyang 2 over 3. So the odds, therefore the odds in favor sa rain will be 2:3. Okay, ito yung answer, 2:3. Okay, so that's all. Maybe we can find another problems to solve. Please follow my page and my profile for more videos like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching.